In the previous videos, we created event types for the shipped and late orders and displayed them in a unified calendar and then in separate calendars. In this video, we'll see how to handle events that have both a date and a time. So if we navigate to the orders table, then click on an order to open its details, we can see that it has two child tables, order items and order logs. The order logs table contains the history of the order status changes, when the order was placed, confirmed, prepared, packaged, shipped, and delivered. Each of these events has a start date and time and an end date and time. Let's create an event type that will display the delivered event inside an order progress calendar. I'll navigate to the admin area and open the calendar plugin. I'll load the Northwind project. I'll click on the New button in the Event Types section to create a new event type. Now that we're familiar with the event type dialog, I'll click the Minimalist View button to hide the descriptions and show only the input fields. This removes unnecessary clutter. I'll set the ID to order-delivered. I'll set both the BG color and text color to Success. The source table will be the order logs table. We'll add a custom where condition to show only the logs where the event column is equal to delivered. For the title, let's use the order ID column. I won't check the all-day event checkbox as we have a specific time for the event. I'll set the start date, start time, end date, and end time fields. Let's save this event type. We can see the order delivered event type listed in the event type section. Let's add this event type to a new calendar. I'll set the calendar ID to order-progress and the title to orders progress. I'll select the order delivered event type from the events drop-down. I'll leave the locale set to default. I'll allow the admins and sales groups to view this calendar. And let's choose the Operations section to display a link to this calendar. Also, the Operations menu. I'll save the calendar. Now let's regenerate the calendar files to apply the changes. Let's navigate to the home page to see the updated calendar. I'll open the Operations section, scroll down, and here is the Orders Progress link. Let's click on it. I'll navigate to a month that has some delivered orders. Okay, we can now see the delivered events displayed in the calendar. You can see some deliveries spanning only one day and some spanning more than one day, but the month view doesn't show the time of the events, so let's switch to the week view. The week view displays a time grid so we can see the start and end times of the events. We can adjust the end time of an event by dragging it like this. If you click the event, you can see that its end time has been updated. So this is how we can handle events that have both a date and a time in the calendar plugin.